So you know, I got you on recording your dogs attacking my dog.
I got your dog because you threatened me to shoot up my house.
I never threatened to shoot up your house.
Yes, you did.
When? What? Okay.
Come on.
I hear you.
Come on.
That is showing court. Oh, I like your sign, by the way, too. No niggers allowed.
That's right.
I like that.
You don't belong back there.
I don't belong back there.
No, you don't.
So what? Why would you rent to me if you're a racist? Why would you put a sign up there saying no niggers? What are you? What's wrong with you? What?
That's what I mean. You do not go back to that bar. And
So you're going to say no niggers allowed? So you're going to say no niggers allowed, cowboys and cowgirls?
That's right. That's cowboys and cowgirls only. You're not allowed back there. You and that, not back there.
Me and that, as in like what?
That hut.
That what?
You stupid. You don't understand. That hut.
That hut?
Yeah.
I don't know what a hut is, honestly, other than an Indian
I
hut.
said butt.
Butt nick. You realize you're being recorded right now, right?
I don't care.
And you're sitting here calling me a and everything else.
What are you? What are you?
I'm an African-American male. I'm an African-American. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you.